Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at IObit Advanced SystemCare Ultimate 18 Pro 2026, an all-in-one solution designed to optimize your PC performance and protect your system from advanced threats. Advanced SystemCare Ultimate 18 Pro 2026 combines powerful system optimization tools with real-time antivirus protection, giving you both speed and security in one package. With just one click, it cleans junk files, removes privacy traces, fixes registry issues, and boosts overall system performance. On the security side, this software offers advanced malware protection, defending your PC against viruses, ransomware, spyware, and other online threats. Its real-time protection works quietly in the background, keeping your data safe while you browse, work, or play. What really stands out in the 2026 version is its enhanced performance engine, faster scanning speed, and improved system stability. Startup optimization helps your PC boot faster, while intelligent RAM and CPU management ensures smoother multitasking even on older machines. Advanced SystemCare Ultimate 18 Pro 2026 is perfect for users who want a simple, reliable, and effective way to keep their Windows PC clean, fast, and secure without needing multiple separate tools. So if you're looking for a complete PC care solution that delivers speed, protection, and stability, IObit Advanced SystemCare Ultimate 18 Pro 2026 is definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more honest software reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.